Welcome to the study. In this study, you will be solving a set of puzzles. On your screen, you will see the screen divided into three main areas. You will see 6 small grids with colored tiles to the left of the screen, which we will call the example grids. You'll also see a large grid with colored tiles in the middle of the screen, which we will call the puzzle grid, as well as an empty grid to the right of the screen, which we'll call the solution grid. The example grids are example pairs of input and output solutions. The input is to the left and the output is to the right. Each row is a discrete input and output pair that demonstrates a rule. For each puzzle, the example grids will show different examples of the same rule. Your job is to figure out the rule or the relationship between input and output by examining the example pairs and use that knowledge to fill out the solution grid. Based on what you see in the puzzle grid, you have the option to copy over the tiles from the puzzle grid to the solution grid by clicking on the Copy Puzzle button. To fill out the solution grid, select a tile color from the color selector below the grid. Here, I've selected blue. Then click each tile you want to fill, or you can also drag across the tiles you want to fill. To unfill or erase a tile, simply color it in black like so. Clicking on the Reset Solution button will erase all tiles in the solution grid. Once you have completed your solution and you are happy with your answer, click on the green Submit button towards the bottom right of the screen. You will next be prompted to report how confident you are in your answer. A slider will appear asking you to rate your confidence on a scale of 0 to 100. You should enter what you think is the percent chance that your solution is correct. Once you're satisfied with your confidence rating, click the button to submit your rating. If the solution you provided for the puzzle is correct, you will see a green check mark pop up on the screen and you will automatically proceed on to the next problem. Otherwise, you will see a red X pop up to indicate that your solution was not correct. Before and after the check mark, or X, you will see a white plus sign briefly appear at the center of the screen. While the plus sign is on the screen, your job is just to look at it. You have 2 tries to get this correct solution. Do your best to solve the puzzles as quickly but accurately as possible. There are 40 puzzles in total, and you will get a break every 8 puzzles. Please notify the study staff when you reach a break. Do not exit out of the task window or you will lose all your progress. The task progress indicator to the bottom right of the screen will help you keep track of your progress. For this study, you will be paid $30 for your time, which could be up to 2 hours. You will also be eligible for a bonus payment based on how many of the 40 puzzles you solve correctly in the time you're here. That bonus can add up to an additional $20 if you answer all 40 puzzles correctly. If you have any questions so far, let the experimenter know.